Hi guys, we are going to learn how to remove the background from the video using CapCut. What you have to do, this is your interface. Now you're going to create project, and this project and this will be layout for you. Click on the import. I'll take this one clip. Right now, as this clip is, I'll just drag it here to the timeline. This is area is called the timeline. We have various options like select or split, and then go back, this Control Z, and this is splitting, deleting. So many options are there. We will learn one by one all these options. So first we'll learn how to remove the background. So right now, as you can see, this is a free sample video. I just click on it. Right now you can see that where the user is going. Now let's do one thing. So for removing the background from the video, we will be using the CapCut technology, which is the facility they have given using the AI. So I will do one thing, Control C and Control V. So another video will be here. Okay. So now as you can see, when we click on this, we can just simply see that. Okay. Now you have to remove the background. So click on this section, not this one. Click on this one. Okay. And click on the video section, remove BG. This is the area, auto removal. There's a stroke options of also they have given us, but we will not use this right now. We will see it in another section. So once we are done with this, we click and see that some animation if you want to add, but right now we are going to only remove the BG. So I will just click on it and it will just simply, once you unclick, and it will remove the BG. So if you want to play it right now, it will play like that. Now, how you are going to put the new BG? Means the background, I will import it, like for example, or like it, I need something like, I will use this one. Okay, any image also you can put it. So you bring that image, drag it, and just put between these videos. Okay, now once you've done this, you just click over here. Okay, now it is showing that the layout, because the video, the background is into the horizontal, so I'll just drag it here to be fully expanded. Now you will see how does it actually work. So we will see, click on here and see the background. So the background has already been changed very easily. In this way, you can simply change it. So as you can see in the last section, why it is coming, because you have to match and drag this exactly. Now you want that to be completely from the starting. So I'll just click on from the starting, go back here, and then click on it. So as you can see, the starting video itself is coming. You can also put another moving background also. You can import another media also. You can add on according to your choice. So once you are done, you can just simply click on export option and you can simply export the video. So that's all in this video. See you guys in another video.